Alright, so while the fire is getting cooked up, just want to highlight this little kit I made. Basically, it's just an ammo can I got at Harbor Freight for a couple bucks. And then this was an old cutting board. You can get these at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, for $1. And I just crudely attached it with a piece of wood. That way, if I get something fresh in the field, I'm able to just skin it out and then cut up the meat right here on the board when this thing's laying on its side. But basically, I've just filled it with a few choice items as far as getting things cooked at a basic level. Again, this stuff I got at the Dollar General or Dollar Tree or wherever. Just trying to do this as cheaply as possible. I'm sure you could make some kind of gourmet chef kit and you know, lose your shirt over the price, but I'm not gonna do that. I can't afford to. So, you know, just a kind of a catch-all seasoning, little salt and pepper grinders, little bottle of olive oil. I got a knife, cheap knife. I got a little brush here to wipe the marinade on, and then I just have some Ziploc bags so you can put the marinade in, get it mixed up. Normally I probably would have thrown the whole squirrel in with the bag full of marinade and cooked it up that way. But this time I just wanted to get it skewered up and put up here, which now my fire's dying as I'm talking here. It was built super well. But yeah, anyhow, on the cheap you can make something like this and just have all the essentials you need, and then you can just cook right there in the field. So just something that you might want to think about. You know, of course, as fresh as you can get it, the better. This is a couple days old, this squirrel, but it'll work. And then if you have trouble remembering what this thing is that has a cutting board screwed to it, you can label it like I did. Super high quality.